Let's go! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Della. And I know it's been a while since I uploaded videos. I've been busy. So today I am gonna do a retouch on my lips, which it's been a year since the last video about I tattoo my lips, and it was with nude color, if you remember. And today I'm gonna touch up with my initial because I want like a little bit more pop in my color in my lips. So enjoy the video. The video is gonna be between a normal speed and time-lapse as usual, so I won't bore you. And if you have any questions, please comment on the comment section. I'm gonna try my best to answer for you. If you're new here, welcome, and please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, like and share if you like. First thing first, it's summertime here it's almost the end of summer in Toronto, but it's really hot, guys. It's hot. No air conditioner. I need it. So as usual, I'm gonna numb my lips for 45 minutes or half an hour if you're not a crybaby like me. All right, and today I'm gonna use my pen, which is I got it from Amazon, just nothing special. And the needle, it's in between one liner to line it and 7p because I want it faster. And I'm gonna put my numb cream and I'll be back. And as usual, I use Prorigis to numb my lips because this stuff is so good.
Clean up.
I'm gonna start with lining. So here's some starting with one brown needle to line my lips. I hope you can see me doing that. I know I have to cover what I'm doing with the mirror. It's really hard to see filming and doing lips tattoo at the same time. Sorry about that. So I finished my lining process. We have to go another round. and I put the second coat of numbing cream. Yeah, so we usually do 3 or 4 passes. All right, I noticed that the first one liner, it always hurts more, so I'm gonna switch it up. Why my nose is runny? Okay, so I'm gonna switch it up to 7p. Usually in my experience, the more needles and less hurt. And I don't know, today I feel like I'm more crybaby than usual. So I think this one is the third pass, and as you can see, the colors already build up. Yeah, and I'll keep doing that until it reach the color desired.
My list is getting a bit swollen, but it's normal.
To put non-cream too often, because it's gonna make your lips swollen even worse. It's gonna go down the next day, but you know, it's always better if you can control the swelling. Okay, I'm quite happy with the result so far. So I'm gonna put another plus number cream, just a little bit, and then we're done. Now this is the reason why lip tint or lip blush is more expensive than microblading or liner, because it takes so long to do lips, especially when you have like full lips, and then it could take between 3 to 4 hours, sometimes 5, because they need to take a break in between. that's it for today, guys, and I'll keep you update from day 1 until day 6 in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi guys, this is day 2. My lip tint, the swelling goes down, and now it's a little bit crusty over here, which is it's normal. So I'll be back tomorrow.